Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily warp an image in Canva. So let's start over with creating a new design. Then click on upload files. And from your library, just select the photo that you want to edit. Then click on use in a new design. And I'm going to choose custom size. Then click on create new design. And once we're here, let's just click on apps. Then in search Canva apps, just type liquify. Just click on this, then click on open. So from here, we have different warp options that we want to apply in our image. But the best option in warping your image is wobble. We can adjust the melt amount, wobble amount, then just click on save. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily warp your image in Canva. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily warp your photos just by using Canva. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!